You know, it just occurred to me, when's the last time I've had a stock 1957 Chevy Bel Air in the photo room here? I haven't had one for a while, and this is one of the most iconic cars of all time. A two-door hardtop 57 Bel Air. It's in Matador Red. This one has had a body off frame restoration, numbers and codes matching throughout. It's done to factory specs, 283 power pack, power glide automatic transmission. It has all sorts of goodies. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you'll find a price tag on every car, along with a monthly finance payment so you can afford it too. But right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified as these new arrivals come in. So the body is killer straight. This is an older restoration. There is some cracking in the paint that you don't even notice. But I'm telling you, this thing is laser beam straight. There's not a ripple in that hood. Those gaps are right on the money. Absolutely pristine fender, no rust, no damage, real nice, clean, straight. Has the little flippers. These open and close with the doors. Oop, now what did I do? Quarter panel, absolutely straight. All the roof is straight. This is all straight with no damage, no rust, all clean, beautiful metal. The gap is right on the money. All this is real nice. You guys know where the gas goes in a 57 Chevy? It has painted metal fender skirts that fit real nice. No rust, no damage. Shuts like a new car. The doors line up beautifully. Someone did a complete nut and bolt restoration, and they knew what they were doing. I think it was done a long time ago, but it still looks great. According to the tag, that says Matador Red. That's the color this is painted. And again, smooth glass finish, but there's cracking. Like right here, there's some cracking. I see a little here. You got to kind of look around for it. You got to duck and weave and look for it. The chrome is brilliant. The rockets, all of this. These are optional bumper guards, but this is just sparkling chrome. Correct T3 headlights. That's what it should have. The little Dagmar bumper tips, that was an option. The stainless moldings are straight and shiny. Windshield's crystal clear. All the stainless trim is polished and straight and real nice. Has mirrors on both sides, that's an option. Door handle guards are an option. All this trim is smooth, not beat up, sparkling. Metal door edge guards, an option. Rocker moldings are an option. The rear window is crystal clear. That was replaced. Here's a little more light checking in the paint. Probably the worst of it is right here in the trunk. Rear mount antenna. I really like that versus up front. I like comes out at an angle. Optional reverse lights. Again, bumper guards. Has the gold license plate frame. So yeah, the paint is shiny and beautiful with some cracking. The trunk lid, I would say, is the worst of it. The rest of the car really doesn't look bad at all. Sitting on some radial white wall tires. I'm not sure of their age. They're in good looking condition. The rim is red. It has the stock hubcaps in real nice shape. And actually the spinners were another option. So let's open it up. I'm going to show you what a I've been around cars a long time. I know a quality restoration. I'm going to say this is probably 20, 30-year-old restoration, but I'm also going to say the day that it was done, I bet it was one of the nicest ones in the country. The fit is excellent. I just rolled up the windows. The side glass is new as well. You could roll up the window with just 2 fingers. It's just a really, really well done car. And again, the paint's beautiful. You can kind of see on the trunk maybe some cracking. By far, this is the worst of it right here. But just stand back and look at the car as a whole. It's absolutely gorgeous. Under the trunk lid, it's painted. The gasket was replaced. The whole inside is painted real nice red. And all the latches and hardware and stickers. It has the correct mat with the part number on it. I thought it said GM. White wall tire, never been used, on a painted rim. Looks like it's got a mark, probably was rubbing up against there at one time. Complete jack assembly. So a real nice, clean and complete trunk compartment. If you want us to text you when the new arrivals appear, you can text the word new, N-E-W, to 844-592-2431. Door jambs are real nice. The top of the weather strip on this side is a little tattered. Door panels, it's a complete correct reproduction interior. Door panels are the red and black. The armrest, the window cranks, all of that was replaced. The red metal trim inside the car is painted. All this is like slick, like glass. All this trim is beautiful. Original style gauges. There's a little Chevy bow tie. That's your high beam indicator. I know this is some sort of optional heater. It's in real nice shape. All this looks great. Retro stereo fits right in the factory hole. The lens on the clock is kind of cloudy. Kick panels are real nice. Carpets are excellent. It has Reproduction Chevy mats. This here is a tissue dispenser. You actually put a box of tissues in there and pull them out. In the glove box, the light works. It's clean. Has our inspection sheet in there. You'll get a copy of that if you buy the car. Nice firm seats. Look how there's not a wrinkle. It's got the chrome piping. It has chrome buttons. So really, really well done upholstery. Everything in back is just as nice. The carpet's not wrinkled. It's got mats. The upholstery's in pristine condition. All the chrome sparkles inside. All the paint is slick. And overhead, we've got an excellent red headliner, working dome light, matching visors. Has a day and night mirror. Correct original steering wheel, painted beautifully, new chrome horn ring. So yeah, really, really nice interior. Looks like the lens on the clock was really the only thing that I seen that wasn't excellent. I mentioned service. Each car goes through service. We inspect the car, put it on a lift, drive it, fix what we find, and there's a 3 or 4 page report in the glove box that'll go with the car. Then there's a final page we have not filled out yet because that gets inspected one more time before it leaves. So this is an original motor, code FC, dated 1957. So this is a Power Pack 283. Power Pack, I know, comes with the 4-barrel, dual exhaust, and I think different heads. And it is completely stock. It has the script valve covers, the cloth wrapped wire, the original carburetor with the glass fuel filter, original air cleaner up on top. And over here it has Reproduction hose clamps. You can see every component was apart, restored. Look at the hinges. Batteries bolted down properly. Up front is painted all glossy. It has both the horns, Reproduction hose and cap, the pulleys, and everything looks real nice. Generator. Optional electric wipers. They came with vacuum wipers. And then under the hood's painted real nice. So that's a really sharp looking engine compartment. So underneath is really nice. Boy, that trunk shut nice. Body was off the frame. The underbody of the car looks like pristine metal. I don't see patches. It's not undercoated. It's all clean metal. All the supports, the rockers, all the seams are real nice. And it was repainted in the red oxide primer. That's how they left the factory. All the steering, suspension, chassis, all of it was rebuilt, all repainted real nice and black, all put back together with, body bushings were replaced. Has the correct dual exhaust, big long mufflers going all the way out the back. Drum brakes, the factory style brake system, nothing's been altered. Brake lines, everything's run neatly. The fuel system was replaced, all looks real nice. You look up at the motor, it's still clean, Chevy orange, correct starter, correct canister type oil filter. Has the correct Power Glide automatic 2-speed transmission. Has the original rear end in the back. It's still dated 1957. So under the car is really sharp as well. So again, one of the most iconic cars. This is a genuine Bel Air hardtop. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door, how to get it financed. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Text for our new arrivals. Thanks for watching.